Good morning, dear kids. Welcome to your class of English grammar. Dear kids, today's date is 10th July 2020. Day is Friday. Subject is English 2. Today we will continue our chapter 5, One and Many. So, dear kids, what have we studied till now? We have studied 2 rules of singular plural in the last class. Generally, we add s to make the plural. Number 2, we add es to nouns that end in ch, sh, o, s, double s, x and z to get their plural forms. See, some examples are there. Ostrich, ostriches. Dish, dishes. Mango, mangoes. Bus, buses. Princess, princesses. Okay, dear kids? Now today we will learn some new rules of singular plural. So let's get started. Now new rule is the nouns that end in y change into plural form by dropping y and adding ies. Means when we change the word which ends with the letter y to its plural form, so what do? We remove letter y and add ies. Okay, dear kids? See the examples. City, cities. Here we will remove y and we will add ies. Country, countries. Monkey, monkeys. monkey, monkey. monkies, monkeys. Is it correct? No, it is not correct. Why? See, dear kids, what happened? See, monkey, monkeys. Now what happened? Whenever we change, suppose here is a change in rule. यहाँ पे क्या होता है? There is a difference that whenever there is a vowel, how many vowels are there? A, E, I, O, U. So whenever there is a vowel before y, like here in this word monkey, okay? So you can see before y, E is there and E is a vowel. So we just add S to that word. So it becomes not monkeys, it becomes monkeys. monkeys, monkeys. See the other examples. Key, keys. Okay? And the nouns that end in y have a vowel before that change into plural form by adding s only. Example, you can see here in the picture, 1 boy, 2 boys. Key, keys. Monkey, monkeys. Here you can see the spelling, correct spelling, monkeys. We have just added s. Boy, boys. Toy, toys. Day, days. Ray, rays. So what happened? Whenever a consonant plus y is there, we drop y and add ies. Whenever a vowel is there and y, we add s. Okay, dear kids? So, now to form the plural of a noun that ends in f or fe, we replace the f or fe with ves. So, what do? Whenever there is a word that ends with f, okay, so we remove f and fe and we add ves. For example, leaf, leaves. We have removed f and we have added ves. A knife, knives. We have removed fe and we have added ves. One wolf, 2 wolves. Calf, calves. We have removed f from here and we have added calves to make the plural form of calf. Okay, dear kids? So now look at these pictures. Can you see these pictures? Yes. Now these are called irregular singular plural, or you can say these are naughty nouns. Okay, naughty nouns. Okay, so they don't follow any rule. You can see here, man, it becomes men, woman, women, tooth, teeth, child, children, foot, feet, mouse, mice, leaf, leaves, goose, geese. So what you have seen here, that they are not following any of the rule. Okay, So they are very naughty. They are not following any rule. So therefore they are known as, what do we call it? Yes, we call them naughty singular plural or irregular singular plural. Okay, dear kids? So let us see how many rules we have studied. Okay, let's see. So rule number 1, most times you just add S. Second, ends in Y, so we drop the Y and add IES. Number 3, ends in CH, S, SH, X or Z, we add ES. Now rule number 4, ends in F or FE, so we drop the F or FE and add VES. Okay, dear kids, I hope it is very clear as we have studied all the rules thoroughly. So dear kids, put today's date and classwork. Today's date is 10th July 2020. Quotation is sharing is caring. Then write chapter 5, one and many. Now leave one line. Write the heading singular, plural. Now number 1 is wolf, 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 and the plural is wolves, WOLVES. We have removed F and we have added VES. Number 2, LEAF, leaf, and the plural is leaves, LEAVES. Again we have removed F and we have added VES. Number 3, KNIFE, knife, and the plural is KNIVES, knives. Again we will remove FE and we will add VES. Number 4, family, FAMILY, and the plural of family is families, FAMILIES. Now you can see the word is ending with Y and before Y consonant is there. L is the consonant. So what we will do? We will remove Y and we will add IES. So family and the plural is families. Number 5, baby, and the plural is babies. Again, B is a consonant and the word is ending with Y. So baby becomes babies. Number 6, story, and the plural is stories. R is also a consonant, so we will remove Y and we will add IES. Now let's write some naughty singular plural. So number 7, child, and the plural is children, CHILD, child, CHILDREN, children. Number 8, FOOT, foot, and the plural is FEET, feet. Number 9, MAN, men, and the plural is MEN, men. Number 10, MOUSE, mouse, and the plural is MICE, mice. Number 11, OX, ox, and the plural is oxen, OXEN, oxen. Number 12, GOOSE, goose, and the plural is GEESE, geese. So dear kids, this work you have to do neatly in your notebook and quickly do it in a beautiful handwriting. Okay, dear kids? That's all for today. Take care. Bye-bye.